Today we are making a video how to make a homemade juice step by step. I will show you the ingredients. This is fresh ginger, turmeric, red onions, black pepper, honey, and 10 pieces of lime. I am picky when it comes to anything. When you go to the market, when you buy lime, make sure that it is shiny like this. Why? Meaning it is juicy. In one pitcher of this juice cost 10 pieces of juicy lime. The reason lime, for me, because we have here in Canada, substantial lime here in Canada, it is because it's closer to Mexico, Venezuela, they have this. If you buy lime that it is not ready to harvest, this is what happened. This is not juicy because they need to stay in the tree for maybe another 10 days. This one is ready to harvest. See the difference? This one is soft now because juicy. This one is hard because you can identify even here. I'll show you later when I open it. Be aware, when you must be happy, I promise you. Again, you must use red onion because it's powerful with quercetin. And I will show you why when you open it. Take a look, you guys. See, did you see that? It is so juicy. People is asking which one is the best when I go to the market. I said choose this one because you're gonna be happy when you bring all this fruit at home. This is quality. This is red onions, powerful with quercetin. What is quercetin? I'll show you what is quercetin. When you say that, like a juicy one, a white one, has powerful antioxidant, good for the heart, for the brain, and help to improve your cholesterol. To save all of these nutrients from red onions alone, rinse it first before you cut it, and then continue using it. This is honey, so they have to, I pour it 1 cup of honey. I think this is 1 liter. This 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you can cut. Put it together. Lime is powerful with vitamin C. Good for your skin. There is a technique to just do like this and press it with your 2 hands. To remove all the juice like this. See, because of the pulp, look. You can scrape with your own finger, and then here you go. To have an effective juice for your health and well-being, it must be soak all of these ingredients within 24 hours. I did not have the opportunity to make it last night so that we can show you how it looks like. You can put it in the fridge, or because here in Canada is cold, so you can put it in a room temperature. And this lime skin, you can use it as your own personal fertilizer for your plants. The reason I did not throw the skin yet, because it's a see? This is water. Just to get all the juice from the skin. Right after I remove all the juice from the skin, I poured here in the pitcher. Remember the ingredients: the red onion, the lime, black pepper, the turmeric, fresh ginger, and the honey. Okay? I will say it in Tagalog. Paminta, sibuyas, loya, sa Leyte, ito ay dulaw. Yun ang tawag doon, dulaw. Ito, loya. Ito ay calamansi or lemon. I'm gonna grind the turmeric, the fresh ginger. Both of this must be fresh, not the powder, because it's more effective and more powerful with curcumin. And the ginger is gingerol. You blend together. That's it. Sorry to the big noise. It's normal. Okay, here you go. Look, it's already blended. Now we're gonna mix it together. People really out there, they are questioning why they become orange. That is the main color of turmeric. Of course, the ginger become yellow. So, for now, I'm gonna mix it, but you have to strain it. The 6 mineral, it's already inside the pitcher with different powerful compounds that benefit to our health and well-being. Try this at home. I promise you gonna be happy and you don't have to worry about. In the winter time, children must drink this to avoid colds and coughing. In the Philippines, because of the typhoon, especially in the countryside, sipon, lagnat, mahina ang katawan, this is the best thing that you can do for your own. This is my own research because of what happened to my health and well-being. I've been challenged to lots of medical issues. I was in a panic and I don't know what to do with it. But I listen to my inner voice, what is best for me and my health and well-being. And these ingredients, this formula never let me down. And I become more healthy and happy and pain-free. This is good for my kidney. I've been diagnosed a lot of medical issues like my kidney, my liver, my pancreas, my heart, severe inflammation, psoriasis. According to Global Health Organization, we have almost 40 million population across the globe are suffering with psoriasis and scurvy. I've been diagnosed with psoriasis back in 2010. I promise you, psoriasis, it is so ugly and embarrassing skin problem. My face, my whole body, my arm, everywhere. even in your private part, because the psoriasis so itchy and it is not a good skin disease. It's underneath of my breast. It is so ugly because it is so smelly. Especially when you go out, you cannot expose your skin under the sun because it's so itchy and you cannot sleep. You know what? Because of that, my family doctor told me that there is no cure. And I said, well, okay, if that's the case, if there is no cure, I'll do my best to find my own way to ace the suffering that I've been through. I prove it to them that because of skin problem, in my own experience, when you are suffering psoriasis, you are lack of vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B6, B12, vitamin K. My kidney is given up. All of this is medical prognosis. High in cholesterol, my heart, I have breast cancer, I have osteoporosis, I went to a deep depression and anxiety. I've been taking of those medication, but the more I take medication, the more I sick I become. I have only one thyroid. I have thyroidectomy in 2003, so I have only one thyroid gland. It is so difficult to have only one thyroid gland. That is the main reason sometimes my voice is different because it is beyond my control. It's something to do with the effect of my taking away the thyroid glands. So this is what happened. Okay, minerals that needed to our human body is because of that. I believe that all of this Mother Nature healing process still here to reaffirm that this is the best that you can do to restore your health and well-being, to make your kidney functional, your liver, your lungs, and the inflammation of my whole being was severe, and I was almost amputated with both of my legs. And I said, well, I'm gonna do something. This is the only remaining of the psoriasis. The itchiness is gone. My skin now is become healthy and happy, and I don't have to worry about going to bed. I have a good sleep. I can relax. I can walk under the sun without concerning about itchiness. I continue doing all of this natural healing process, and now I'm good. I managed to share this homemade juice to you guys because I know there is a lot of people out there that they can relate of what happened to me. My take is, if you are really interested in putting your health and well-being into a balance with harmony, it is a beautiful thing to. You cannot lose it, but you can gain. But try the best you can and find the proper solution with you to restore your health and well-being into the optimal one. I'm 75 years old and I'm still here, happy, healthy, and pain-free. I can walk miles. I can run. I can go anywhere without concerning about my health. Especially osteoporosis. It is a degrading bone problem that your bone become weak as we age. But this homemade juice, it's allow you to make your bones strong. The reason I been challenged with all of these medical issues that I've been through. First, I use my own common sense. I use my own research. I reflect what I have done in the past. I feel like I've been self-neglected. I feel like I've been ignored. I feel like what happened to my journey that I don't have the opportunity to have the proper nutrients to nourish my body, the right nutrition. I've been deprived to have that. Probably in the future videos, I will share my journey, especially in my health and why and what happened and how I managed to restore it. So for now, this is the only absolute, I would say, powerhouse to restore your health and well-being and to make you happy and healthy and pain-free. Hopefully, folks, you would love it. And anything that you wish to know, don't be shy to ask lots of questions about how to be healthy and happy. Because I know your grandpa, your mom, your dad, your relatives, any relatives, they are suffering with pain, aching joint, inflammation, anything that it is dysfunctional or allow us to hinder in our freedom to walk, to go, whatever it is that we can do every day. This is it. This is the only solution that I can share it to you guys. This is my powerful testament that I can share. I will taste it, see how is it, but I will let this sit for maybe another 5 minutes. More honey. It's up to you guys. If you want a little bit sour, more sweeter, make sure that you have to mix it properly to the bottom of this pitcher. You have to drink that in the morning with your empty stomach because it's more effective. Even your own kids can drink this. But if it is sitting down within 24 hours, you will see taste is so amazing. It's so delicious. During COVID time, of course, everybody is hiding in their own cocoon. We just drink this every day. Your lungs become healthy and happy and functional. If you have ang aching joints, if you have rheumatism, osteoarthritis, this is it. Try to be free. There you go. The taste is good. 6 basic minerals that you put it together in one formula. If you have a sore throat, just make this. I promise you, you're gonna sleep like a log. This is good for cholesterol, diabetes, for the heart, osteoporosis, your skin, for the brain. Just try it. Just try it. You know, I have a cousin in Sablayan. His name is Boy. He said, Ate, can I say it in Tagalog? Pwede ba ako pahiramin mo ng pera? Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi bibili ako ng gamot dahil hindi ako makalakad. Ba't ano nangyari sa'yo? Kasi ang kidney ko, may liver, I have rheumatoid arthritis, and I said, I have my inflammation, masakit yung kalamnan niya. Sabi ko, hey, Idoy, money is not the solution. There is, all of these ingredients is in front of you. Get the turmeric, loya, honey, black pepper, and lime. Sabi niya, anong gagawin ko? Gawin ka ng juice. Bingo. He listened to me, and after 7 days, he's free to walk. And then he called me, he said, oh, Ate, thank you for sharing all of this because now I'm happy I can walk. I'm no longer suffering with osteoarthritis. Yung kanyang paglakad, yung joint and ligaments is free. So I said, that is good. See what they're living in a farm. And the same thing with his brother, Ray. And the rest of the family are drinking it now. So I said, well, that's the only thing I can tell you. Because they have their own farm. They have all of these ingredients. So why not? Try it. Personally, I don't use a strainer. I know I can drink like direct, but because this is your first time to taste it, you might say, oh, this is a little bit foreign to me. So I take out the pulp. But to me, I can drink direct. There. Okay, here you go, my love. Cheers! Good luck! What do you think?
It's good. You know how onion is sweet?
Yes,
It doesn't taste
onion.
onion. It tastes sweet, like
Yes.
like the sweetness of carrot.
Okay, folks, this is it for now. And please follow the chapter 2 because that is the time that we have to explain every individual recipe. What can you benefit in it? Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it and you will like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and make a strong comment. Don't be shy to have a comment so that we can do better. Hopefully you can do that. And I know God is good. Bye-bye. See you soon.